How much should you actually spend on LED pods? People are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Nilite 60W LED Light Bar. Let's kick things off with the Nilite LED Light Bar. Priced at just $29.99, this product caught my attention with its impressive 4.6-star rating from over 7,500 reviews. If you want reliable illumination for your off-road adventures, this is worth a serious look. This means you can clearly see the road ahead, whether you're driving on rugged terrain or navigating through dark backroads. The light's IP67 waterproof rating ensures it can withstand tough weather. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're worried about driving in rain or snow, this product has you covered. Now, some people complained about the installation being a bit tricky due to the wiring harness. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat handy with tools, it's not a deal breaker. Plus, once installed, you really can't beat the brightness and durability for the price. This is perfect for you if you need dependable lighting for off-roading or work purposes. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's ultra simple to install without any effort. But for $29.99, the value is hard to beat. Now, if the installation hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Nilite 60W Flood Spot Combo. Next up, we have the Nilite LED Light Pods, which are an even cheaper option at $19.99. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 6,400 reviews, these pods are really turning heads. If you want an affordable yet powerful option for your vehicle, this is worth a serious look. The combo beam design means you get a perfect mix of spot and flood, illuminating both close and far distances. This is crucial when you're navigating through tricky terrain or need to see potential hazards on the road. Plus, the IP67 waterproof rating ensures they hold up in wet weather, keeping you safe during unexpected downpours. Now, some users noted that they wished the light was a bit brighter. But here's the thing, for most applications, the brightness is more than adequate. If you're using them for off-roading or as auxiliary lights, they'll do just fine. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want solid performance. Skip this one if you need the absolute brightest lights available, but overall, the value for the price is really impressive. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize durability. Product number 3, Nilite 18W Flood Off-Road Lights. Moving on, let's check out the Nilite 2 PCS 18W Flood Off-Road Lights priced at $17.95. With an amazing 4.6-star rating from over 23,300 reviews, you know these are popular. If you're looking for a bright yet compact option, this is worth a serious look. These lights are designed with advanced LED chips that offer a bright and wide illumination range. This means you won't miss anything while driving, whether it's a deer crossing or a pothole. The IP67 waterproof rating stands strong, ensuring these lights can handle the elements. If you're worried about durability, the stainless steel brackets resist rust and corrosion, which matters when you're off-roading. Now, some people have mentioned that they didn't find the light to be powerful enough for highway speeds. But honestly, for most casual driving or off-roading, they shine brightly and effectively. Plus, you're getting 2 lights for under $18. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly solution for outdoor lighting. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically for high-speed driving, but for the price, they shine. Now, if you need something with a more focused beam, the next product might just be right up your alley. Product number 4, Nilite 18W Spot Off-Road Lights. Next, we have the Nilite 2 PCS 18W Spot Off-Road Lights, which are priced at $16.95. This product also boasts a 4.6-star rating from over 22,600 reviews, making it a strong contender. If you need lights with a more concentrated beam, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable mounting bracket makes it easy to change the direction of the light, which is crucial for adapting to different driving conditions. The IP67 rating ensures they're waterproof and dustproof, meaning you can take them anywhere without worry. Now, some users felt that the adjustable bracket could be a bit flimsy if not mounted correctly. But here's the thing, once you secure it properly, they perform exceptionally well. You might need to double-check your installation, but it's totally worth it for the output. This is perfect for you if you want bright, focused lighting for off-road adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for widespread illumination, but at this price, they deliver great value. Finally, let's look at a product that offers a bit more for those who might want multiple lights. Product number 5. Nilight 4 PCS 18W Flood LED Light Bar. Finally, we have the Nilight 4 PCS 18W Flood LED Light Bar priced at $30.50. With a strong 4.6-star rating from over 4,100 reviews, this set is appealing for anyone wanting multiple lights. If you want great coverage, this is worth a serious look. With an adjustable mounting bracket, you can easily direct the light where you need it most. The effective protection from IP67 means they resist moisture and dust, making them reliable for any conditions. Now, some customers complained about the lights being too dim for their liking. But honestly, for general use, whether for work or leisure, they are more than adequate. If you just need bright enough lighting for tasks, you'll find them more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you want comprehensive lighting coverage and don't mind having multiple pods to install. Skip this one if you need extreme brightness, but for $30.50, you're getting a lot for your money. So to recap, the Nilight 60W light bar is great for those who need durability, while the 60W flood spot combo offers affordability. The 18W floodlights are perfect for budget-conscious buyers, and the 18W spotlights cater to those needing focused beams. Finally, the 4 PCS set is ideal for comprehensive coverage. All 5 options have their strengths, so consider what fits your needs best.